ceramic metallic Select Sport CX-30, black leatherette interior. This compact SUV packs a punch, 191 horsepower, 186 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 6-speed automatic. One of my guests from Toyota Canada just came in and got this baby for himself. Great commuter car, fun to drive and safe. Got a cargo mat with the temporary spare tire beneath, rear wiper with your heartbeat sensor turn signals, 87 octane required. And on the inside, you got the center armrest with your 2 AC vents, adaptive cruise control, rain sensing wipers, automatic high beams, sport mode, parking brake, and your 8.8-inch infotainment. Wired Android Auto and wired Apple CarPlay. Congrats to my guy for getting his CX-30 at TeamMazda.com.